what I kind of want to talk about today is the less cool part of knife making, and that's actually the quality control. We do our best to make sure that every single blade is manufactured the exact same way. So they'll run parts in the machine and they'll take their calipers and they'll measure those parts. If those parts are plus or minus over 3/1000ths of an inch, they're gonna get set aside in one of our red bins. All right, so all those parts that just came off the machine, they're gonna come over here and we're gonna do a final check on them before we send them to the optical comparator. You can see that we've got several bins over here, a lot of them good, but we've got bins that are filled with bad blades too, and it's a really humbling process for us to monitor that quality control, because sometimes we have to take thousands and thousands of knives and say, hey, these aren't good anymore, we can't use them. So that's what we're doing for our customers, making sure we do it right the first time and making sure truly that the blades that we make are the exact same blade every single time, so you know that you're getting a quality blade. All right, so the last step of the actual machine shop manufacturing process is taking them into the optical comparator, which is actually a digital video optical comparator where we can put a blade or a handle onto the screen, and then it's going to scan every single dimension of that part. And it'll give us a readout saying, hey, each part that it's measuring, it's either good or it's not good. So if these guys out here on the machines aren't able to get an exact measurement using calipers or the hand tools, you can bring it in here, get an exact measurement, and know that when we go to assemble this blade, when we put it in the sheath, it's going to fit perfectly. All right, so the last step in the process is those blades are going to come over here individually. They're going to get assembled, and they're going to go back to the final check over here. We can see Alex, he's actually going through the complete blades, and he's matching them up with their sheaths. This is where they'll get their final cleaning as well. Get put in these bins, final go, no-go bins. So anything that we still don't think is good enough, it's going to get put in a bin. You've got a full bin right here that's going to go back to the shop and get checked again, and then go through the rest of the process to ship out to you guys.